Hello. In this video, you're going to see how to find your assignments and how to make use of your online compiler to complete your assignments. When you click on your assignments, there are two sections. One is you can see the assignments under the posts, or there is a tab called as assignment. If you click on it, you will be able to see the assignments that were assigned to you. So as in this case, it is showing here that you have one assignment. So you click on it, it will show you the assignment that is available for you. Right. So the instructions for the assignment will detail you on what you're supposed to do for this assignment. And then when you are going to the online compiler section, let's say they are asking you to write a code or something like that. So you need to write the code and compile it. So to compile that, you have an online compiler which is available for you. And then in this section, you can write your code. After writing the code, if you hit on the execute button, you will be able to see your code here. Now, the view can be changed based on what you like. So if you want to keep it like in this sense, you can have the code on the top and the results on the back. So on the bottom. If you want to go full screen, you can select full screen mode. The entire output is available for you on full screen mode. Or if you want full screen of your code, you can select full screen for your code. So it is based upon how you want to work and whatever is your flexibility, you can choose that. Hope this was clear, and if you have any doubts, post it on the group. Students, those who understood what needs to be done, can help out other students, and I would also be jumping in to clarify your doubts as well. Thank you.